On a sand plant, typically you're going to have between 4 and 8 inch discharge and outlet slurry pumps. Obviously they're large items of cast iron, which typically means when they're taken apart it involves a considerable amount of manual handling. Just to give you a statistic, a third of all work-related injuries and absences last year was due to musculoskeletal disorders, which predominantly manual handling would be a big cause of that. To achieve the task before, it would involve removing the inlet pipework, removing the front casing and lifting the discharge pipe up. Following seeing this on several sites, we decided to design a sliding base. Now all that's involved is to remove these 4 bolts and also the bolts on the discharge pipework. The front casing, rather than being lifted, is attached to a framework on the front of the sliding base. Once all the bolts are undone, the whole pump slides backwards, revealing the inside of the pump. This obviously reduces the manual handling aspect. It also means it's much quicker. The sliding base from start to finish is 50% quicker than what happened previously. So you're reducing the amount of time spent on a job, which means you're reducing the amount of time men are exposed to risk. Coupled with that, they're now achieving a full afternoon's production, equating to nearly £30,000 extra saleable material.